everyone, welcome. So, during the last class, we have discussed about the physical method of matter, how the matter is classified based on the physical method. And in this particular class, we will start chemical method, right? So, chemical method is further divided into two types actually. So, one is pure substances and other one is mixtures, right? So in chemical method, again we classified this chemical method into two types. That means pure substances and the mixture. In pure substances, we study about the element, next compound, and molecule. So these are the very basic things we study in pure substances category, right? And coming to the mixtures, in mixture we study about the homogeneous mixture and other one is the heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture and one more is called heterogeneous mixture. So these are the complete what I can say about the matter. That means in case of physical method, we have studied about the solid, liquid and the gases. And coming to the chemical method, first of all, we classified our chemical method into two categories. One is nothing but the pure substances, and other one is nothing but mixtures. So in pure substances, we will study about the element, a compound, and what are molecules, right? And then for me these things are very basic for you, right? So this is the very basic basement to understand about the chemistry one we can say, and then homogeneous as well as the heterogeneous type of mixtures, right? So we will start or we will see one by one. So we will take first as a pure substances. So in pure substances, the first one is the element, right? Directly I will write elements. So elements are nothing but an element consists of only one type of particles, right? Element is nothing but already, right? So what are the elements are given in the periodic table. So they are the very pure things. That means other element not involved in it, right? It is a single, right? Single thing. That means one we can say an element consists of an element consists of an element consists of one type of particles. One type of particles. This is one definition one we can say according to your what bookish definition one we can say. An element consists of only one type of particles. Only one type of particles. So single type of particles one we can say about the what element. Or else the simply one we can give one more definition as these are the substances which will not undergo further division. These are the substances or these are the substances these are the substances which will not undergo further division. That means they are very small. Further division. So this is about what element. Element is nothing but when we can say about the an element is consists of only one type of particles, only single type of particle. There is no mixtures like water. In water, what we have two type of elements. What are those? H and O. Not like that. Element is nothing but the first definition when we can say it consists of only one type of it. So, for example, what we can take is carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. So these are all the elements, the single element one we can say present in the periodic table like lithium, sodium, right? So these are the some examples one we can say. This is about what element. Element you already know about the element. Then also the definition may be different, right? In case of physics, you take some extra information about the element. In case of chemistry, you study about other part of the element, right? So that's why there are two definitions. If you want, you can copy it down, right? So next, coming to the next part, next is what? Compounds. So what are compounds? We'll see now. So you try to make a difference between element, compound and the molecules. When two or more atom of different element, when two or more elements of different, two or more atoms of different atoms of different element elements combine to form a compound. So here what we require is two or more atoms of different elements. Very important. See the what meaning of this definition. That means element must be different, right? So examples are very good example is water molecule, ammonia, right? Carbon dioxide. See here atom of two different elements. See, this is one different element and H is one different element. If such a thing happens, I mean combines, then the resultant whatever we will get, that is nothing but what? Compounds one we can say, right? So whenever the atoms of different element, these are the atom of different element, right? So the here also the nitrogen is one element and the hydrogen is other element, right? So if such different element combines two or more atom of different element, then resultant whatever we will get that particular thing what we call is compounds, right? And next is a molecule, right? So molecule. What is molecule? We will see now. So molecule is nothing but molecule is defined as two or more atom of the same element, two or more atoms of same elements, two or more elements or different element or different elements that are bound together or different element that are bound together is called a molecule. It should be a a same element like this. Example I will say for first one, that is same elements. Same element like H2, as I said, Cl2, F2, I2, O2, same element. And if they are different, so here in different case here, particularly about this, we have very small, less, I mean, examples. Water molecule, we say, right? So water molecule. So different term, right? So in compound also we take this example, but don't get confused. Why? Because here, molecule means one, you can say about the same element, right? So same element, we have molecular orbital theory. In that case, you try you come to know what are molecule in actual, right? So for now extent, you just why? Because they have given different element also. So that's why I have shown you what is the molecule in case of different element. Same element you already know. All the gases comes under the molecule one, we can say. Hydrogen molecule, chlorine molecule, I mean gas molecule, hydrogen gas molecule, chlorine gas molecule, we say, right? So in case of water, we say water molecule, right? Don't get confused in compound as well as in case of molecule, right? So this is all about today's class. In the next class, we will see about the mixtures, right?